Kani kadega batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Menteri Sorkar Jylla bakmi yakatnat ki kampo yeng ubak lak men rumboy. Ha ka jengkran bat ki katto kan ne ki nong pathai kubor, ha ka janmiet jong ka lai tereng mentau benai leber ar hajar arpo. Halor ka jinglong jingman menta ha ka Jylla Meghalaya. Khamtam ha ka nikari lom khasi balami ki kanrum kanram. Hadien ka jingsha thombor ki dikhot jong ka KSU FKGGP bat ki ripaj ba ha ka shnong majai ha ka arpratrek benai rempang menta usnam ar hajar arpo. Uloang bana kalyang ka Sorkar man la kasngi kapet ngor bat mi bnia ya ka jinglong jingman khnang ba onla ban Wanrah Biang ya ka songsok songsan ha ka ni ka Jylla.
It is our duty that to see that any inconvenience should be a short term. So we from the government, that's why we review from time to time, because we should remember the primary concern of the government also to see that the law and order prevail in the state. So we from the input what we have, that we see that the situation as of that time it's still not conducive to withdraw the curfew from that area. But that decision we will review it in fact twice a day we are reviewing the situation. So we will take every care that the people of the state will not suffer in this matter. That's only I want to tell you.
MDA government as a whole, we are also pained to see all these kinds of incidents that has taken place. And yes, as a cabinet, in the cabinet, even within the MDA partners, we keep discussing about this issue. And we see our farmers, they have to ultimately selling their vegetables on the footpath. We see that. So my humble request to all of them is, let us be little patient with the government, because government ultimately has to take the responsibility of bringing back the normalcy at the earliest possible. So our Home Minister has already told, even not only twice a day, 3-4 times, almost every hour, he keep reviewing this situation. And I am sure very soon from the Home Department, our Home Minister, he himself, even yesterday, he had a meeting, peace meeting with all the stakeholders and all this. So I am sure we'll be able to ultimately bring back normalcy in the city of Suwon.